Hello friends, today I'm going to make a quick video about the dishwasher. It's leaking. The customer called me that his dishwasher is leaking. As you can see, the floor is wet. I already threw down there washing the dishwasher. As you can see, there's black pipe there. That clip was loose. I'll just adjust it like that. As you can see, the water coming from there. So now I'm gonna adjust that clip and then put together, and the pipe will be fine and there will be no leaking. I'm gonna adjust and take the left pipe inside to the right pipe and adjust, and then clip it with that. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and comment. I will make another video. Bye.